May I speak to you?
Yes, you can.
Where did you work before?
No, I didn't work anywhere.
Is anybody home?
Yes, tell me what to say.
May I speak to her?
No, she is busy.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, I want to be rich.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a doctor.
Would you like to wait?
No, I don't want to wait any longer.
Are you ready to go out?
Yes, I am ready.
Why don't you come in?
No, I'm right here.
Can we talk in private?
Yes, of course.
Can I see that one?
Yes, you can see.
Why did she do that?
I don't know.
Is that answer is right?
No, the answer is wrong.
Could you repeat that?
No, I will not say.
Do you know that hotel?
No, I don't know.
Is that a picture of me?
Yes, this is your picture.
How high is that mountain?
I don't know exactly.
Is he at home?
Yes, he is at home.
Do you know what this mean?
No, I don't know.
Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'll take leave tomorrow.
How long have you been here?
I'll stay here for a month.
Is the battery connected correctly?
Yes, it is connected properly.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course.
Is she married?
Yes, she is married.
Where is Paris?
Paris is in France.
How is your dad?
He is fine.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Who is that man?
He is my friend.
Is he still here?
No, he left yesterday.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Who built it?
My mother made it.
Can you find it?
I'll find that later.
Can you handle it?
I'll try to handle it.
May I put it here?
No, you put it there.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
When does it begin?
It starts in the evening.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it may rain today.
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very near from here.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
Was I wrong?
No, you were right.
How was your day?
I had a great day.
When was she born?
She was born in 2001.